Here's some non-Western art trivia. Subscribe. Which ancient Chinese pottery is known for its exceptional quality? Is it A, earthenware, B, porcelain, C, raku, or D, terracotta? The correct answer is B, porcelain. What Japanese art involves folding paper into shapes? Is it A, kintsugi, B, ikebana, C, calligraphy, or D, origami? The correct answer is D, origami. Which Indian art form is recognized for its intricate henna designs? Is it A, Rangoli, B, Kathak, C, Mendi, or D, sitar? The correct answer is C, Mendi. Which Indonesian art form features leather puppetry? Is it A, angklung, B, batik, C, gamelan, or D, wayang kulit? The correct answer is D, wayang kulit. Which Chinese folk art involves making paper cuttings? Is it A, jianji, B, weaving, C, sculpting, or D, calligraphy? The correct answer is A, jianji. What term refers to the traditional art of Tibetan thangka painting? Is it A, sand painting, B, mandala, C, calligraphy, D, thangka? The correct answer is D, thangka. What is the name of the Aboriginal Australian art using dot painting? Is it A, dot art, B, rock art, C, watercolor painting, or D, canvas art? The correct answer is A, dot art. Which traditional Thai performance art combines dance and drama? Is it A, kabuki, B, kon, C, pantomime, or D, no? The correct answer is B, kon. What is the term for the Japanese ceramic practice that emphasizes rustic simplicity? Is it A, shabby chic, B, kintsugi, C, origami, or wabi-sabi? The correct answer is D, wabi-sabi. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.